Amablara aí, proudly Zimbabwean. Hey! Eu sou Zimbabweano, eu Zimbabweano, I am a Zimbabwean, dirimo Zimbabwe. Eu sou Zimbabweano, eu Zimbabweano, I am a Zimbabwean, dirimo Zimbabwe. Hey! Vamos bailar! Cántame a national anthem, himno nacional. Ai, Kona! Sibuzai mureza, wedu weZimbabwe, wakazvarwa neropa rechimurenga, kubvira Zambezi kusvika Limpopo. Hey, what is there? We eat indigenous fruits, not exotic fruits. Kanjiru, matamba nengeni, tokotiane matowe, ute matundu, tukupune machanji, taitka awute. Yes, proudly Zimbabwe, we have got totems. Dinodwa madora, harurwa neishwa, dinodwa amandere, dinomwa masese. We eat indigenous insects. Indigenous mopane worms, beetles. Unera zoko, unera masiba, unera moku, unera wena, uni matube, uni matube, uni matimana, uni makumalo. We belong to animals' kingdoms. Ganjiru, matamba nengeni, tokotiana amatowe, ute matunduru. Machanje, Ninoga Mandora, Harurwa Neishwa, Mandere Neishwa. I'm from the monkey side. Some are people from the lions and antelopes. Ninera from the elephant side. That makes you proud. Just say Zimbabwe, I am in Zimbabwe, Zimbabwe. You say Zimbabwe, I am in Zimbabwe. The totem, eating those insects, eating the salsa, drinking Opepia, Masese. You have to be proudly Zimbabwean. Zimbabwean, Zimbabwean, Zimbabwean,